Hey guys, so I want to talk about how well our Man United players they do for World Cup. The first player we're going to talk about now, Paul Pogba. A person where he has done the doubts because of his hairstyle and plenty other things. But if you're not going to ask me, I feel say Paul Pogba they try for World Cup. He don't score one goal and he don't dey in the mix-up wey lead to another goal. The goal wey Mbappe score against Pereira and Pogba wey give Giroud that pass wey he take 2 assists from Mbappe. So I believe say the guy dey try. The second player wey I go talk about na Romelu Lukaku. Na person wey when he first join Man U, some rumors dey compare am to Morata. But now those people wey dey compare am to Morata don sabi say person wey be beast, you no fit dey compare am to the Spanish Yakubu Ayebene. Lukaku don't score 2 goals for World Cup. The first goal where he scored na De Bruyne give him assist, the cross ball where he ignore that internet. The second ball na Eden Hazard, aka Bonbon Merchant, we lay one through pass. As the ball reach Lukaku, he run, he can't chip keeper. Sublime finish, we make sense die. The third player I could talk about na Jesse Lingard. Over the years, now player where they act like Mumu. But recently, Jesse Lingard don't change the mind of him doubters. He dey cack number 7 jersey for England. The game where he play against Tunisia, the guy ball so the coach no remove him. Another person where I go talk about na Marcus Rashford. Now him will change that Tunisia game. If no before Rashford, then for don't draw that match. As the guy enter, the guy just the ginger morale. Now him and love this chick with ginger. And I dey hear rumors say their coach Gareth Southgate could start Rashford ahead of Raheem Sterling for England's next game. How true it be? I don't know. Another player where I go talk about na Mathematic. I see one clip where the guy won't fight like 5 Costa Rican players. He even won't fight the assistant coach. The guy tried for that game. The guy hold ground. So now because of his ginger, we make Serbia manage win that match.